How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to do how to make your Adam's apple bigger without surgery. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So your Adam's apple, you can see mine clear as day. You can see it right here when I'm talking. You can literally see it right there. That's my Adam's apple. To make this appear bigger, because you can't actually change the physical size, that's due to genetics, you can make it appear way, way bigger. So the two things that I did, first one, I lost a little bit of weight. This time of year is the time in the summer that I do my weight loss cycles. So I normally bulk for about a year, weight loss for about 2 to 3 months. I was at 205 before. My Adam's apple is still pretty visible. Now I'm down to about 178. So I've lost roughly 28 pounds or so, almost 30. And you'll see my Adam's apple now is way, way bigger. Like it looks way bigger. It's way more visible because of that weight loss. Now, only do this if you're overweight. If you're already super skinny, then obviously do not lose weight. What you can do if you're overweight or if you're skinny, you can also do exercises that stretch the neck area. Any exercises that stretch the neck area where your Adam's apple is going to make it's going to make your neck more tight, more toned, and it's going to make your Adam's apple appear bigger. So a simple exercise you can do, you can literally make this your whole entire workout. Just do reps and sets of this. So literally getting your head, lifting up until you feel that stretch in your neck. So just like this, and you feel that big stretch in the neck area. By far the best exercise you can do for getting a big Adam's apple. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.